morning, everyone. Welcome to this webinar. And like always, I believe this webinar is going to be very useful. ABC sharing profits 2 to 1. Decided to share the profits in future equally. At the time of change, 15,000 were paid by B privately, for which he is not to be reimbursed. You must have written the journal entries below. Space was left vacant so that you can write your answers. So you must have written the answers, and let us find out whether your answer is correct or not. First entry, creditors to revaluation. Creditors debit to revaluation. Why revaluation is credited? This is a benefit to the firm, gain to the firm, because creditors have been paid and is not to be reimbursed. So it's a gain to the firm, and then naturally all of you know that revaluation debit to A, B, C, A is capital, B is capital, C is capital in the old profit sharing ratio. In the old profit sharing ratio, you know, 15,000 will be divided every time. Remember, gain or loss on revaluation is always distributed in the old profit sharing ratio. So, 2 entries. This is taken from CBSE annual examination question paper. Creditors to revaluation. I think everybody must have answered correctly. I believe it, since you are teachers teaching this subject for so many years. So creditors to revaluation and revaluation debit to all partners in the old profit sharing ratio.
Alright, sir. So I would like to ask, as we know that redemption of debentures chapter has been deleted, so will 1 mark question or any other theory question can be asked from that chapter?
Not at all. Redemption of, there will not be any question of 1 mark even from redemption of debenture chapter. It has been totally deleted from this syllabus.
Not even journal entries, sir?
Not even a single mark question, because it has been totally deleted from this syllabus. The question is debenture redemption is about, but redemption of debenture chapter has been eliminated totally. Therefore, there cannot be even a 1 mark question from this chapter.
So it means, like in case of admission and retirement, only balance sheet can be asked without adjustment of capital. Will it be asked?
I have already told, in admission of chapter, balance sheet will be certainly there in the question paper. Only after adjustment of capital, then after balance sheet is eliminated. Before adjustment of capital, balance sheet is very much there in this paper. And also in that chapter, only the calculation of deceased partner share of profit is in this syllabus. No revaluation account in that chapter, and capital accounts in that chapter. In case of death of a partner, only the calculation of deceased partner share of profit and its journal entry also.
Okay, and for goodwill also, sir? For goodwill also can be asked?
No, in that goodwill cannot be asked.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.